Hi guys, welcome to Motoring for All. This is just a quick video to give you guys the chance to ask any questions you may have regarding driving lessons or driving tests. You may have heard some myths or certain things that happen on tests and you're not too sure about. There are some urban myths out there that people think are true when actually they're not. Or if you just have any general questions about driving or theory or anything like that, comment below and I'll do my best to answer them, and any questions that I think are worth doing, I might even do a video on them. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yeah, stay tuned for more content.